The next step for our project is to create a matching spoon to go with our bowl. So we're going to be using a little block of clay to create our spoon. We need to roll a coil or like a long snake of clay for the handle. And then we also will create a little curved part for the end of the spoon. So to make your spoon, I have a plastic spoon here just to kind of compare the size. And I started making a handle already. And I did that by just kind of breaking off a chunk of my clay. And to make it into a coil, first you kind of squeeze your clay together to stretch it out. And then you can kind of roll it in the palm of your hands. You can also use the surface of the table to roll it as well, until it is thin enough for your handle. Okay. Then this handle, I flattened out a little bit and I smoothed it on the sides, just because I like that kind of handle for a spoon. You can make yours a little more round. You can even curve it if you want to and make different shapes. That is up to you. Okay, but you'll need a handle. And then you want to take another chunk of clay and you're going to make a little ball for the end of your spoon. And I just use the palm of my hands to roll it into a ball. Okay. So to start it, you're going to press your thumb into your clay. Okay. We can even use the spoon to kind of curve it a little bit. Okay. And mold that shape if you would like. Okay. Just make sure that your clay doesn't stick to your spoon. Okay. So I'll kind of get the size that I want that way. Okay. Just going to carefully peel it off. And I'm just going to use my thumb to kind of curve it so it can scoop food well. If your clay starts to get a little cracked on the edges, you can use your thumb to smooth it. You can also use a little bit of the slip to help smooth it as well. And then we just need to attach those two pieces. So before we can attach any two pieces of clay together, we have to score our clay. So I'm going to score back here. I'm also going to score the part of the handle that I'm going to attach it. Okay. And I'm going to add some slip in here. Slip is just water and clay mixed together, but it kind of acts like a glue when we connect two pieces together. Okay. So I'm just going to press those together first, and then I'm going to use my fingers or a tool to just kind of smooth it all together so it looks like one piece of clay. Okay. And if your spoon gets a little flattened during this step, that's okay. You can turn it over. You got to smooth this side as well. And you can just kind of recurve it a little bit if you need to. Okay. Then from there, you can decorate it, add any details that fit the theme of your bowl and spoon set, and you should have a nice spoon to eat with.